Hey guys, Dipesh here, back with another video, and today we are learning how to do seamless photo effect on Instagram. Well, it's not actually an effect, it's the photos which we add in the same post, and it turns out to be the same photo but just split it into two parts. And I thought that it's really professional and only the experts can do it, but it turns out that it's very easy and anybody can pull it off. It's that easy. In fact, it's the easiest tutorial that I have to do, and I've just divided it into 5 small steps, and anybody and everybody can do it. By the way, this is not coffee, this is Bonvita. Wow. Yeah, I know I'm 28 and I'm still having Bonvita. Judge me, but I don't care. It's so tasty. Well, let's get on with it. Now the first step is to get a photo. Duh. And I'm using Lightroom here. Select crop effect. You can use any editor to do that. Just hit crop and select the aspect ratio of 16:10. Now this is 16:10 aspect ratio. All I have to do is go to Adobe Photoshop, and that is step 2. You can again use any other editor. It's not only Photoshop, but since I have Photoshop, I'm opening it in Photoshop. Now on the left hand side, you'll see a lot of tools. You'll have to select crop tool and click and hold to select slice tool. We can drag the line which you see at the photo, and you can drag it right at the middle. And if you don't find it here, you can go to edit preferences and select guides and rules, grid line 100% and divide it into 2. So now that you can see it into 4 different columns, and select the photo into 2 equal parts. Now that we have divided the photo into 2 equal parts, we have to select the export settings which suits best for Instagram. So I'll go to File, Export, and hit Save for Web. Now what I'll do is, I'll decrease the size of the photo so that I can see the entire image. Then I'll set the quality to 100%, select the image to JPEG, and decrease the height to 1350. Now that you have selected the height as 1350, select the other photo and do the same process. Now that you've selected the settings which suits best for Instagram, step 4 is to save the photo on your system and transfer it to your mobile phone. And the final step is open Instagram and hit the plus sign. Select the photo and make sure that you zoom out of the photo by tapping on the arrow on the left hand side, and then select another photo. If you see that the photo is not lined up, you can shift and hold and drag it, which automatically lines up. There is a small bar in between, but don't worry about it, it's gonna go once you hit next. Now you can check the photo for yourself and see, now it's working fine. And you can write a cool caption and share it with the world. I guess that's been it. If you have any query or doubt, you can leave in the comment section below, or you can DM me on Instagram. I respond to every messages. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Adobe Photoshop or any other platform.